Whether it be two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, or any of the accessories you want to add to your drive, this is your All-Terrain Nation, and I'm your host, David Boyd. And today we are going to talk about the 67 Designs Bronco Rail. That's right. And you're saying, what's a Bronco Rail, Dave? Well, it's an accessory rail. If you've watched the Bronco reveal, I'm sure you saw all the little accessory rails, and they had all the cool stuff up on it where you can mount your GoPro and all that. Well, this company's come out with a design where you can mount several, I think up to 7 points of mounting. Whether you want to add a tablet to your rail, or you want to add your phones or a GoPro like we've done. They have all these cool accessories, and of course, you know, there's going to be a link below and you can check it out. And it's not an affiliate link or anything. It's just, you know, this their company. And by the way, we are not sponsored by this. This is not sponsored. We're just checking this product out and wanted to give our review of the install and let you see it, and you decide from there. So let's just jump into this. All right, so we're going to get into installing this Bronco Rail from, it's a Series 55. It's a carbon fiber series. I like this thing a lot. I've used these in the old Jeep. You can kind of see the old Jeep over there, and I'll show you some video of what we've done in the Jeep with them. But this 67 Designs, from what I can tell, and this is not, we're not sponsored by any means on this, but from what I've seen out there, they are the best design, the best quality, the little parts of details. If you look on even like on the name, they've got their name on the sides of the wing nuts there, that they didn't have to do that kind of stuff. That just shows you like attention to detail. So Kelly, let's get involved in installing this thing, and we'll go from there. It says it takes about 20 to 30 minutes, so we'll find out. As you can see, each one of these are marked with which side. So this one says the left side there, best I can see from the camera. But so they show the underneath of the rail. So see the little guides. All right, so you can see the little guides right there. So it's kind of dummy proof. So Kelly, show us how they slide on there.
It's actually really super easy.
So they just slide on. That's very, very nice. And
it's seated tight too.
And the cool thing here, pop that off again, because I want to show them right up here where they actually sit. So if you look right here, it actually sits in a little spot there that you can see the little, that's made for the Bronco rails. So you can see they sit right there, so it's almost dummy proof to install this thing. So all right, so what I'm gonna do, I got the drill bit here. I don't know if it's in focus or not. So I've got this right where I want it. And yeah, we go through. So just holding this down, I'm gonna put this in the hole there, and I'm just gonna kind of twist that into the dash a little bit, and perfect. As you can see, it's made the little mark there, and now I know exactly where to drill. So next stop is drilling into a brand new Bronco dash. All right, we got just enough room there to, I'm just gonna go very, very slow. Just there, perfect. All right, once again, Kelly's gonna go very, very slow with this, and it's not a thick dash. Perfect. All right, so we drilled into our $54,000, basically $60,000 Bronco, which I know some other mounts don't do this, but I actually like this because it's going to be secure in 3 points. You're gonna have the point there. You're gonna have the main Bronco accessory bolt, and then you're gonna have another point. So Kelly, we're gonna have a couple. We know all the bouncing stuff we're gonna do in this thing. I think that's gonna be good for security.
I agree. Definitely 3 points is a key on that one for sure.
All right, so it comes with these 2 little screws that are going to go in the holes we just drilled. I've got my side, Kelly's got her side. So Kelly, let's go ahead and put ours in. All right, so now, see that? Go ahead and screw it in, and I'll put in the description the size of the drill bit that I used on this, because smaller is better on your drill bits.
Can always go up.
Yep. I would rather the hole be a little tight so that this seeds better. And remember, don't over torque this because you're drilling into your dash. So if you over torque it, you've reamed that hole out, and you're gonna have to figure out a bigger screw for that. All right, so now we've got the Bronco Rail, and this little piece of carbon fiber, which is actually really kind of cool that they went, it's real carbon fiber too. That it's going to be an attachment point through the accessory rail right there, and we'll screw it into there, and then we've got a bolt right there, and then this is basically done. So let's get to it. All right, so we've got that going. We're gonna go ahead and turn this thing in there. Once again, you don't need to like the god of Thor, you know, put the hammer down on this stuff. It just needs to be secure, just snug is all I'm gonna do on that. And now the kit did come with this Allen wrench here, so Kelly's gonna tighten that up. All right, next up we've got 3 of these little balls here, and these are the actual mounting points to the Bronco rail. As you can see, they slide in identical to the way the mount did. So we'll just slide these in, get them kind of in a rough position you want. Now you can tell on the top there, they've got the Allen keys. So that is pretty cool that you can tighten those down and probably secure these really tight to that bar. And so your accessories aren't bouncing all over the place. So let's go ahead and install one of these.
That's it.
So, all right, so you watch this groove. Make sure this little plate right here is lined up, especially in that hole. And each ball has a little track area as well. I don't know if you can see that or not. Maybe you can see it on the old GoPro. You can see the little track area. So it's just lining everything up. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Just slides right one. So what we'll do with this one is, this will probably be for our GoPro mount. So we'll keep it kind of the best center we can. Look at that. Perfect. So now we've got 3 mounts, and look how much room. This is something that a lot of the other companies they don't have. You don't have all this room. You get a kind of a nice area. You can add up to 7 of these little track balls, is what 67 Designs is saying, but it looks like if you really wanted to, you could add a lot more to this. But we'll use one for the GoPro, one for my phone mount, which we're gonna attach the mount itself, and then we'll play with kind of where we like it, the area we like it, and then we're gonna go from there. But the best part is, I know the GoPro mount, I want it right in the center. All right, now Kelly's gonna pop that one in there, and this is the phone mount. And she's just gonna roughly tighten it to kind of see where she might want it. Now we've had these in the Jeep and love how it just puts the phone right where you want it. We'll play with where she's got it, but look at that. You can see it's just kind of up right where you want it, and you can already see all the options of how to move it. Once you get it to where you want it, you can fasten that ball joint down. You can see, look at this clamp on this thing, Kelly. That's pretty strong, right? It
actually is.
It's not some cheap Walmart phone attachment. Like, this thing is made to hold. And the cool thing is, they also offer a magnetic mount for this, and I'll put it up in the descriptions in the screen here. But it's wide enough for our iPhone 12 Maxes, and which are about the same size as the 13s, and that's pretty damn wide. And I know they make tablet attachments for all these, and I would trust my tablet on there. And they also have some magnetic mounts that they do, and that is kind of a rubber right there too, right, Kelly? So kind of keep vibration down, and it doesn't want to slide around in there as well. So let me go ahead and mount mine and see where I want it. All right, we've got both of our 12 Pro Maxes on there. We got the old GoPro up there too, and lots of more room if we needed more accessories that I don't know that we're going to need too much. But Kelly, what is your final opinion of this?
I'm a big fan of it. I liked how easy it was. It truly was. Even with what we showed you guys today, it was probably about 45 minutes or so to do it, just because we were videoing too.
Yeah, it didn't take very long at all.
But I think from us perspective of just installing it, it probably would have taken about 20 minutes without showing you the footage. And I'm interested to see how this one holds up over time, because we definitely do some heavy duty wheeling sometimes, but it's definitely solid. So
there you go. There is the Bronco Rail with all the accessories from 67 Designs, and I want to say thank you for allowing us to check the product out. Now, this was not a sponsored review by any means. I just had to email them because they're not letting many out just yet. I think they're letting a select out to kind of see, hey, what do people think of it? Do we need to make any adjustments? And as of right now, I say leave it alone. I think the thing works great. So in the comments, let me know what you think. Do you like reviews like this? Do you like us checking this stuff out? Whether it be Jeep, it doesn't matter what it is. I'm going to check out some cool accessories and products and let you guys know what I really think about their products. And right now, I think this thing is outstanding. I've always enjoyed the 67 Designs products for our Jeep, and I'll continue with anything we drive. Their product will probably be in mind. So whether it be 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, it does not matter what you drive. This has been your All Terrain Nation, and we've been checking out that Bronco Rail here on the channel. Peace, everybody. Love y'all.